everyone, this is Chalida Promyoti and welcome back to Good Sharing. Today, we are taking a close look at the Thai stock market, a vital part of Southeast Asia's economic landscape. We will explore the challenges it faced, the government's ambitious reforms, and the potential opportunities for investors. Is Thailand's financial phoenix truly rising? Let's delve into the details. For years, Thailand's stock market, the SET, has struggled to keep pace with its regional competitors. Why? Well, several factors have contributed. First, liquidity concerns, meaning there hasn't been enough active trading, making it harder to buy and sell shares quickly. Second, foreign investors' outflows. Global economic uncertainties and concerns about Thailand's market have led to investors pulling their money out. And third, governance concerns, including issues with transparency and corporate practices, have shaken investor confidence. But the Thai government is now launching a comprehensive reform agenda to address these issues. They are tackling long-standing structural problems head-on. The goal? To make Thailand a more attractive and reliable destination for both domestic and international investors. Let's start with building trust. The market has been plagued by concerns over weak enforcement, allowing corporate mismanagement and manipulation to deter investors. To combat this, a significant development was the Cabinet's approval of a law expanding the SEC's authority. This law grants the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, greater investigative powers and the ability to freeze assets more rapidly. This is a crucial step in strengthening the SEC's ability to combat financial misconduct and protect investors. This move is a part of a broader strategy to modernize Thailand's financial regulatory framework. Enhanced collaboration between the SEC, the Stock Exchange of Thailand, or the SET, and the Anti-Money Laundering Office, or AMLO, is aimed at ensuring a more coordinated and effective approach to addressing securities violations. These strengthened powers enable the SEC to act more swiftly against financial crimes, reducing the risks associated with market manipulation and fraud. This is a crucial step towards creating a more transparent and investor-friendly market which can bolster confidence among both domestic and international investors. And just recently, Prime Minister Prathongthan Shinawat convened an urgent meeting with key financial agencies. Attendees included Pornanong Busaratrakul, Secretary General of the SEC, Asadek Kongsiri, President of the SET, and Police Lieutenant Colonel Yuthana Pradam, Director General of the Department of Special Investigation, or DSI. The meeting focused on critical areas: inspecting and expediting cases affecting a large number of people and the economy, amending laws to prevent wrongdoing, emphasizing regulations for shareholding management, and ensuring decisive use of the law to restore confidence. This proactive approach underscores the government's determination to tackle the issues affecting market sentiment and ensure a stable environment for investors. But it's not just about rules and regulations. The government is also working on incentives to attract both domestic and international investment. They are exploring and implementing various incentives aimed at promoting long-term investment and stimulating market activity. The government is also placing a strong emphasis on incentivizing sustainability-focused investments, recognizing the growing global importance of ESG, or environmental, social, and governance factors. By fostering a market that supports sustainable projects, Thailand aims to position itself as a key player in the green finance sector and enhance its appeal to international investors. Furthermore, authorities are committed to streamlining processes for foreign investors, reducing bureaucratic hurdles, and creating a more business-friendly environment. This proactive approach signals Thailand's intent to attract global capital and facilitate smoother investment flows. And let's not forget, tourism is a major engine of Thailand's economy. The good news? Tourism is booming. In the first 2 months of 2025, Thailand welcomed 7 million foreign tourists, a 5.9% jump from last year. And the return of Chinese tourists, a critical segment of Thailand's tourism industry, with 1.1 million arrivals, is a huge boost. This tourism boom is great news for sectors like aviation, retail, and infrastructure. Airports of Thailand, or AOT, is likely to see positive market responses, reflecting potential investor optimism about the sector's long-term growth. But remember, always do your own research and verify specific data with reliable sources. Now, it's not all smooth sailing. Thailand's stock market still faces challenges. Interest rate trends across Southeast Asia could potentially influence investor sentiment, and Thailand, as an emerging market, may see benefits from shifts in global borrowing costs. However, domestic economic factors, including household debt and political stability, will be critical determinants of sustained growth. Thai Airways' restructuring efforts signal positive developments in the corporate sector. Nevertheless, the question remains whether Thailand can maintain the momentum generated by these reforms. Market optimism can be transient, and the true measure of success will be the government's consistent implementation of its policy agenda. So, what's the verdict? Thailand is definitely making strides. The government's actions, coupled with the tourism resurgence, are laying the groundwork for a potential transformation. But like any emerging market, there are risks. Do your due diligence and consider the long-term potential. With its strategic location in ASEAN, growing trade relationships, and ongoing regulatory enhancements, Thailand is positioning itself as a potential investment destination. That's it for today's episode. Remember, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comments below. What do you think about Thailand's financial future? This is Charida from Your Tea. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ